Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Pant, and as I said, if any update would be there from the proper channel, I would let you know immediately. So a few moments back, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, he shared a video message. He told that a committee which was constructed for analyzing the situation on ground, not on the web, not on the Twitter, not on Facebook, on ground situations uh, from different departments. They were analyzed, they were brought up, they were analyzed by one committee which is headed by the NTA director. And apart from that, some other members of the NTA committees are also there. And they are going to submit the report. They are going to submit the report tomorrow, that is on July 3rd, to the MHRD. Now, if the report is going to get submitted tomorrow, so probably on the same day, but not necessarily on the same day, it might take 1 day or 2 days extra for the MHRD to analyze the situation in case any contradiction is there in the views of MHRD and NTA, which hardly happens because they both are working in the same direction. So maybe by tomorrow or by day after tomorrow, within 1 or 2, 3 days, maximum 2, 3 days, we'll be getting a clear-cut idea about when the NEET and JEE Main is going to happen. So before that, please don't follow any unnecessary news segment saying that tomorrow some announcement is there. Maybe possible, because tomorrow morning the report will come out, by the evening they might come into a conclusion, or maybe day after tomorrow by max. So don't panic at this situation, but yes, there is a situation, there is a chance that the postponement or non-postponement, whatever is there, announcement will be there within 1 or 2 days. Now, will it happen? Will it not happen? For that, I've already given a pinned comment in my previous part of the video. What I feel, what you feel, it hardly matters. There is a proper, clear-cut idea by which the analysis is done. And based upon that, the report will get submitted tomorrow. Now, coming back to the main point, I think the information has been passed. Tomorrow, the report will be submitted to the MHRD. And usually, within a day or two, they will announce whatever the final conclusion they have found from the ground reality. Now, from here, 2 points are there. Number one, fake news. Please don't follow all those things at all and focus upon your studies only. That is very important at this point of time. I can understand it is a very panicking situation. If the NEET exam date gets shifted, you can relax for a few days, 1 day, 2 day or something. In case it is not shifted, you will carry on with the same momentum. Whatever happens, you will get to know within a day or two. Second, many people did not understand the idea of the previous two videos at all, because obviously logics are tough for some people to get. And that I clearly understood in my comment section also. For them, I've placed a pinned comment in my last video. In that also, I told you that any recent shifting in the dates of any examination, recent shifting means in the last 1.5 month, no shifting in the exam has happened more than 15 to 20 days prior to the date of examination. So they waited till the end and they announced the date change 15 to 20 days before. Always, because that's the most logical thing to do at this point of time. Very unpredictable scenario is going on. So for NEET also, for JEE Main also, 3rd July, that means plus 15, 18 July was the date of JEE Main. So 3rd July is a proper deadline that the MHRD has given to the NTA for submitting the report as well. So some people will celebrate this as a success, ki hashtag NEET, hashtag JEE Main, all these hashtags worked out. But as I said in my comment, if you will read, I said this thing 3-4 days back, this thing. Even if it gets shifted, it was anyway bound to get shifted if the situation was like this anyway. My problem is when this whole thing is involving the student community also, and they are not able to focus upon their academics as much as they should be, because if the students are doing this, then who will be reading? So the point is very simple. I know people will get hurt, because very easily people get hurt if they hear the truth, and the truth is what I have. So yes, it was totally unnecessary. Anyway, the exam, if the situations do not get proper, would get shifted, whether you say or not, because it's not the first and the last exam. NEET and JEE are not the first and the last exam to get shifted. Every exam in its respective time, 15 to 20 days before, is getting shifted. The whole confusion was created last week due to the fake news industries, which obviously this time also, when this new idea has come, people will think that some revolution has happened. They will start celebrating amongst themselves. I'm talking to the remaining 10-15% people. Beta, this exam is for those people who are preparing sincerely. I can understand every time the deadline is getting shifted, and it creates a lot of pressure on the head, because you don't have to come to the top only. You have to maintain your position there, and maintaining for 1-2 months was easy, that momentum. But after shifting again and again, it might not be that much easy. So be mentally prepared of the NEET exam getting shifted also, and be mentally prepared, even if it does not shift, you have to write in the same date also, It does not matter what you feel. It does not matter what others say. Final decision you will get to know within a day or two. So this is the update from my side. All the very best. Thank you so much.